told you, I always bring the goodies.
Just what you need in the morning.
It suits you pink, I like it.
James is as well. That's James.
No.
Oh, sorry, sweet.
Someone got their pink wheels on.
Someone got their pink wheels on.
Do you have to put the pink wheels on?
I sat there all last night, I was like, I need to put them on. And I was literally sitting there for hours just fiddling with this little screw. And I was like, right, done it.
Spanner on the go. Right, is everything in? Yep. You're good. Sweet, let's go.
Hello and welcome back to the channel where, as you can see, we're on the road once again. We're heading to Stansted Airport to jump on a flight to Ireland to go to AutoFinesse. Now, we caught wind of this show last minute, but it looks like it's going to be a big event. They've got drifters coming from all around the world, from America, from Europe. All the big names are going to be there. So we've loaded up our S15 along with some other cars and we're making our way there to meet them off the lorry. Let's go.
I look like I'm already an explorer.
We had a Polo, but we got upgraded. Whoa. Chuck your stuff in, let's move. Whoa. Always document your damage. See that shot there? Angles. To the side of it. Yep, might need to get all of that. Enjoy the dinner. Oh, bonnet. Blimey, we're going to be a while. Where?
Down there.
Oh! Yeah, that's not meant to be like that. So we've landed safe and sound here in Ireland, grabbed the rental car and we're just heading over to the hotel now. Been talking to the lorry driver, he says he's about halfway across on the crossing, so it's likely the cars will get here this afternoon. We'll then head over to the venue, get them off, get set up and see what the show holds for us.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Does not seem right.
Hello! Yeah, I don't think that building over there either.
Are you checking in?
Not sure the sat navs took me to the right place. Oh mate, he's on a bit of string though. I'm 1.8 miles away. Are you having a laugh? It's 15 minutes. Well, nothing does a donut like a rental car, does it? Hold on, kids.
Send it.
No one helps a girl with their suitcase out of the
Well
car.
done, mate. I kicked one over.
I helps everyone with their bags out. It's like, get my own.
Single.
Oh, so you get a double and a single bed in the same room?
In the same room, yeah.
Cool. You get 3 beds in one room, basically.
So you can bring some friends. No, I'm joking. I'm only joking.
Tito. I had to buy them. I saw the name. Tito. Oh, yeah, well away. No, Tito.
Buffalo.
Crazy engine, what is it, drag engine?
Endless is old demo car.
Really? Holy shit. Does it still have their livery on it?
It has a better livery.
Really? Okay, cool.
It's actually I like the look of it
people
more
like it
than
and
the
some
Rocket
people
Bunny
don't
more
like
than
it.
the Liberty Walk one.
Yeah. Liberty
But I
Walk
like
make-
the sound of the Liberty Walk
Liberty
one.
Walk makes a lot of sense.
That kit is like,
It's like the only one in Europe.
it's a thing.
That is the thing. Very DTM. That's crazy. What engine's in it?
SR22.
What power is it?
I've got this massive lorry here to unload.
Yes, I thought that might have been you.
Which Jack knows where they
Just fire the lorry over there, take all the
Unload it.
cars off, and
Where,
we'll get them up
where
here.
are we going?
Let's have a
You show
look.
us where we're going, then I'll unload and go there.
This is a good traffic area here. We're going to have a lot of people watching on here.
Yep.
We've got our shop here, LZ shop here. So this section here, okay, basically I can give you over the far side, but it's a little bit tucked away. I'd rather give you here. Security is on site, so you can stay if you got to do bits and pieces, and then just...
You'll crack on and get out of the
Yeah.
way, but it's nice to know. If there's a deadline,
not-
it's nice to know.
I'd say be in here by like 8ish, so that you can have everything set because the floodgates will open.
Right, okay. So we'll aim to get here for 8.
You seem like Balenciaga, look. Kanye, hit me up.
So we're here for day 2 of LZ Fest at Mondello Park. Yesterday was a bit of wet and wild one for us. It rained all day. We had the 36 out and I'm here right now with our young pilot, star in the making, Archie. Run us through, how was the day for you, mate?
The day was all right, to be fair. It was fast paced, but in practice, obviously, we had 2 laps and we had a lot of time. We had a little few tweaks on the car that we needed to make, but apart from that, she was fine. Went into qualifying with an 80 on the first run, so a very good safe run.
Commentators were bigging you up all day, they were loving it.
And then obviously the second run, clipped the bumper off, got an 83, bettered the score, very happy with that.
Done really well.
Moving into the battles, we had oil spill at the line, so it made it a bit tricky.
You're making excuses.
Man. But anyway, we were going up the line.
Training them out of the excuses.
Obviously we went up the line and it was a fair battle. I got the win on the top 32, which advanced me to the top 16, and me and my good friend Charlie, we was battling all day, very hard, and it would just hit me. I think he had a bit more flair and he was a bit closer in his chase, but our leads were the same. But fair play, he got the battle and it was the judge's decision. So
yeah, it was a tough one.
It was a tough one.
You two were close.
It was a good battle. But
we had a good day. You enjoyed yourself, didn't you?
It was a wicked day.
And first time ever over in Ireland with the car. First time for Archie driving in Ireland. Done really well. Done the team proud. Hopefully we're on to bigger and better things for next year. So watch this space, watch this kid. The car's changing, but that's for a later video.
Wait for that.
We're going to get around the show, show you a bit more of what's going on today. We've got some of the pro guys and some of the American guests out on track. So we're going to go have a watch now and we're going to take you along for the ride. Let's go. back from us here in Ireland and we've had a fantastic weekend. The guys at Drift Games have been really welcoming, helped us out all weekend, and we've had a great response from the public who have come over and seen us. We've had a great weekend, even though the weather didn't play ball yesterday. Today the sun come out for us and we've seen tons of action out on track. Unfortunately though, we never did manage to get the S15 out. We got up the back, done a couple of test runs, and we encountered some problems with the engine after that top end rebuild. So to save us the embarrassment of blowing it up and breaking down in front of the crowds, we called it a day, we've put it back on the lorry, and it will have to wait until the next one. And on that note, that's when we'll see you next. Thank you for joining us and thank you for watching to the end. See you then.